Okay, so far so good. And then, yeah, maybe we can start to run. And sorry, this one will be better. Okay, and then let's see the water and then molar density of the alcohol. Okay, still running. And then acid, ester aqueous, you see there. And then C1, not C1, this one, 2D, maybe roof, or maybe max, you see there, average, okay, 3D, okay. Let's set cross section, interesting, 2D, cross section, okay. Please notice that it is not a simple water injection, it's injection with reaction. So at some point you will inject something, but later on that something will be consumed in reaction and it will produce other component. Okay. So that's why you see difference change in this particular component acid, right? This is for alcohol. You see now it decreases because alcohol will be consumed to produce something else. Okay. And then we'll have also this one, hydrophobic, and then 3D. Okay. Maybe we can check other. Let's check the fluid properties. This is the relative permeability in table. For table, we have SWFN, right? But it will be deactivated. It turns to gray because we add later on after that, we have another keyword, Cori WO. So basically this will be selected rather than the first one. Okay, so that's the order of tNavigator. What else, whatever you input after something else, the last one will be applicable. Okay, that's why this one will be black, this one will be applicable, but basically they are the same, you know. So actually we input this one first in, you know, in model designer, for example, in tNavigator, and then we try to mimic this table with Cori function. So that's why we have this. This is for the table gas. This is for the Cori gas. This is the capillary pressure. Okay, for water, gas, PVT water, raw compressibility, density for water 1000, components properties, you see, defined, set in the property data section, surface properties, surface interaction. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so I just want to go into a bit detail about Z factor and, you know, this one again, As I said before, this one is not z factor, but composition. But z factor must be, do I miss something? Where is the z factor? Do we have secret here? Whatever. Surface properties, interaction, binary interaction, BIC. And then this is the chemical properties, reactant coefficient, product coefficient, reaction order, critical concentration. And this is the SRP for oil water, you see, for gas oil, and then equilibrium. SRV for oil, okay, we define that in this table, okay. SOF3, right? Okay. The computation is, completed. Let's check. But maybe one last thing. Summary as usual will not be, they are important, but we will not talk about all of these things, of course. Most of the time it's like template. But you can also add something if you want, if you're interested to show, to have information, the result for that parameter, for example. Maybe I can show you schedule. This is very important.